bayithatha ngoba khona abantu abadinga into oyiphethe hayi wena. Kunabantu empilweni nje okwazi ukuthi kunabantu abadinga into nayo hayi wena. Uma uke wabamba lo principle empilo uyophila your Christian life kalula. Kunomuntu odinga into oyiphethe hayi wena. Uyo relate nawe ngenxa yento oyiphethe kodwa hayi wena. Ngelila ngasoyikhuluma leyo kodwa ke sikule ngubo uJosefa wazwiswa ubuhlungu ngendlela eziningi. Ukwazi ukuthi your brothers don't like you, that is a torture. Ukwazi ukuthi amongst the 12 you are the only one who is sidelined. The 11 brothers love each other. Bahleka bodwa. Ba-attenda ama-birthday abo bodwa kodwa wena in this family you are sidelined. That was a torture to Joseph. Ukuzwa bekhuluma bephikisana simbulale singambulali simdayise senze njani ngalo leyo nto leyo was a torture. Ukuthathwa abafowenu bekuphonse emgodini uthi ulindele usizo uphakamisa isandla bakushiye behambe, that was a torture. But the biggest torture abayenza uJosepha kwaba ukuthatha ingubo. The biggest torture kaJoseph kwaba ukuthatha ingubo base beyiklebula phambi